Means that we are looking very closely at the weather conditions out there to see if it will make things worse or maybe we'll get a break. So Kelly Bayern's in the Weather Center right now to let us know what we can look forward to as we try to get through these fires.
Well, it was really the winds that ramped up our fire danger here as we started this week. Our wind event on Monday, where we saw that east breeze and some wind gusts upwards of 50 miles per hour through Portland and through much of the foothills of the Cascades. So those fires really spread quickly earlier in the week, and now we're dealing with a lot of smoke here across the valley too. And even yesterday, many folks here may have noticed how orange our skies got as that smoke worked from the central portions of the valley near Eugene up into Portland. And this is a view here from the West Hills. Min sent this in. Thank you. Looking towards the southeast. So you can see a little bit of an orange finish in Portland too, and air quality also dropped as we headed into our evening yesterday too. This morning we are starting out smoky and a bit cloudy, so we look very gray outside. Take a look from our KOIN tower cameras. You can see that smoke there in the skies. Mid 60s now, a warm start, and today also heats up a bit. By the time we hit lunchtime, we'll warm up into the upper 70s, possibly 80 degrees. Our highs today closer to 90. So we'll be dealing with smoke and some heat today as we move forward. The good news is we have seen those winds dying down, and that means our fire danger is starting to decrease a bit too as we move into the next several days here. But we're still dealing with a lot of smoke and our air quality dropping mostly out towards Eugene and further south into Medford, where we're seeing those fires burning real close to cities here. In Portland now we're seeing moderate to good air quality, but that may change. We still have an air quality alert until noon today across the entire west sides of the Cascades, where air quality may drop to unhealthy levels as we head into our day. So here's our smoke model forecast. It's likely today we'll still keep those gray and orange skies in place as dense smoke still sits here in the valley. A lot of it will stay out towards Eugene again, where those fires in Marion County and Lane and Lynn counties continue to burn. But we'll start to see that massive smoke working even into Portland as we head towards our afternoon. Come Friday and the weekend, we see a bigger shift in the winds, mainly from the southwest. So we'll see that push of smoke more towards the Dalles and then the east sides too. So it's almost like this big mass moves away from the west end and starts to filter into the east sides of the state. So areas in central Oregon, Bend, Madras, and also up in the gorge here will likely get some thicker smoke working in by Friday and the weekend. And we'll still be tracking smoke moving forward too, even in Portland and in the valley. Our winds will still be pulling in that smoke from California up into Oregon from the south here. So we'll still get that push of smoke, and we'll be dealing with smoke in our forecast likely by Sunday and possibly even into Monday. We do see some changes though. Let's talk about our upper level weather pattern here. So far we've seen this big ridge in place. You can see that jet stream to the north of us. We've stayed dry and have not seen any rain here in Portland for the last 2 to even 3 weeks. So we'll keep it dry through the weekend, but we do see a change. That ridge starts to break down. It shifts to the east, and in its place you get this upper level trough. So this will allow for weather systems to work in, and we do see one forming here come late Sunday into Monday. So a chance we get some rain, even a bit of an atmospheric river or the jet stream pointing directly towards us. So we could pull in some tropical moisture and some more widespread heavy rain for portions of Oregon. Hopefully we get that. A lot of Oregon needs the rain. We're still in a big drought here, even in September. So come Monday and Tuesday, we'll possibly get a bit of wet weather here back in the mix. So we can cross our fingers and hope for that, and we'll be watching that trend. Here's our day planner today. We'll keep things a bit smoky and hazy as we warm up into the low 90s here in Portland. And take a look out towards Seaside, looking a bit smoky and even foggy out there. There's that view again. So here's our planner today. The coast likely a little cooler, upper 70s, but we'll still see some smoke out there as well. In the valley, we'll keep it very smoky today, especially further south. But even in Portland, there's a chance we see some dense smoke today. Temperatures in the low 90s to upper 80s for many areas in Portland. So here's our 7-day forecast. Still warm through Saturday. We'll stay in the mid 80s. We'll be dealing with smoke into the weekend as well. So stay tuned and watch that air quality. We'll be sharing it in all of our newscasts here and also online. Come Monday and beyond, we start to cool down, maybe more of a fall-like feel as temperatures head into the 70s with a chance for some rainfall. Carly.
We're going to take